Are you listening?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this corset top. Okay, these are the colors I'm going to be working with, and also I'm going to be using a number 3.5mm hook. Alright, let's dive into the video. You need your measuring tape. Okay, so for the measurement I'm going to be using my girl Courtney. I'm going to be using this breast size. So if you want to recreate, you can measure your boobs, okay, or you can use your bra cup. Now this is the full length of Courtney's breast. That means we have 7 inch. Okay, now we are going to be working our diamond for the corset top. We're going to be working our diamond 7 inch to fit Courtney's breast. Guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to double my yarn because this particular yarn is light. I'm going to start by making a slip knot, and then I'll be making 4 chains, and I'll place single crochet on 3 of the chains. I'll skip the first one and place 3 single crochets. I'll chain 1 and turn my work, and now I'll place 3 single crochets again. I'll chain 1 and then I'll make an increase in the first single crochet stitch and 1 single crochet, and I'll make an increase here also. We are creating the diamond for the corset top. We chain 1 with no increase. I'll place 1 single crochet on each of the stitch like this. So far I've made 1 2 3 4 rows. I'll chain 1 and now I'll make an increase again, 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. I'll make an increase here also. Remember, you increase in one row and you don't increase in the next row. I'll chain 1 and I'll turn my work, and I'll place 2 single crochets as increase for this row. We are working with 7 inch. When I get to 3 inch, I'll stop increasing. So I'm going to continue 1 row increase and 1 row no increase until I get to 3 inch. I have gotten to 3 inch. The next row I will not make any increase, and this is how I hide my yarn. Chain 1 and turn my work. So I'm going to place 1 single crochet on each of the stitches. Okay, and cut the excess. In case you don't change your yarn color and you stop increasing, you can place a stitch marker here to show you where you stopped your increase. I'll continue placing 1 single crochet until the end of my row. I have added 1 inch. Okay, so now my bra cup is 4 inch, and this is past the middle. This was my last row of increase, and I made extra 5 rows. For these 5 rows, I didn't make any increase. You can see how straight it is, no increase. Now we are working down the diamond. Okay, I'll chain 1, I'll skip the first stitch, and into the next stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, and then I'll continue putting 1 single crochet on each of my stitch. When I get to the last 2 stitches, I'll skip 1, and into the last stitch I'll place 1 single crochet for my increase. I'll chain 1, turn my work, and I'll make no decrease for this row. Just single crochet until I get to the end of my row. After making a row of no decrease, I'll decrease on the next row. I'll skip 1, and into the next stitch I'll place 1 single crochet, and I'll continue placing 1 single crochet until the end of my row. I have 2 stitches left. I'll skip 1, and into the end stitch I'm going to place 1 single crochet. So this is my row of decrease. The next row I won't decrease. Continue placing 1 row no decrease and 1 row decrease until you get your initial starting chain number. I started with 3 single crochets. I'll skip 1, and into the next I'm going to place 1 single crochet. I'll skip this, and into the next 1 single crochet. I'll chain 1, turn my work, and no increase. I'll place 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 1 again. I'll turn my work and place 1, 2, and 3.
I'm not charging.
Okay, I'll chain 1, and I'll cut my yarn. I'll pull out.
I'm not charging.
Let's measure. So I've gotten 7 inch. Look at my diamond. For the next row, we're going to place single crochet on each of the stitches until the end of the row. So I'm going to be hiding my yarn also. So 1 single crochet until you get to the end of the row. Once you've gotten to the end of the row, you chain 1, turn your work, and place 1 single crochet until the end of your row. You continue repeating 1 single crochet until you get your desired height. Okay, you can make the desired number of rows you want. For mine, I just made, it's not up to 2.5 inch. Okay, for the corset top. Now I'm going to walk around the borders of my crochet cup. Okay,
Yes, I am charging.
I'll attach my yarn here. I want to use a different color. You will place 1 single crochet on each of the stitch until you get to this corner. I'll meet you there. I've gotten to the end of this row. You skip this last stitch and you go over just like this and continue placing one single crochet. You continue placing one single crochet on each row, each stitch, until you get to this corner. Until you get to this corner, I'll meet you by this corner. I've gotten to the end of this row also. You skip this stitch and into the next one you place one single crochet and continue. Continue placing one single crochet until you get to the end of the row. We are at the end of the row, and for the next row you chain one. I'm changing my color. You chain one, turn your work, and place one single crochet in each stitch until you get to the end of your row. So until the end of the row, you continue placing one single crochet. I made a total of 3 single crochets, okay? And my corset bra cup is ready. Now you make 2. I feel like I like this side more. My contrasting color is showing more here. Okay.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
So let's take it and put it on Courtney and see how far it goes.
Yeah.
I'm going to be using this corset bra cups to make my corset top in a different video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.